Nicholas Begase reporting. I want to wish a happy Tuesday to my Facebook friends in Europe. And, the best way the European elite can help my candidacy as a potential candidate for the United States president is to start buying up stock here in the United States of America. If you would like Nicholas Begase, if you like the way that I'm governing things or my ideas here in the United States of America, start buying up stock within conservative organizations and investing that stock towards me as a potential candidate for the United States president. Right now, I have 4 corporate fans who are following me, who are members of the European elite, and I want to give them a corporate appreciation today, which this was founded on January 21st, 2014. I know that Europe has been alienated at times from a lot of Republican administrations, but I'm one that will stick by Europe. Mi casa su casa, your house is my house. So Nicholas Begase reporting, corporate appreciation from the Republican National Committee. We want Nicholas Begase for the United States president. CNN icon of Memphis.
Air Force One coming into Memphis, Tennessee. Nicholas Begase reporting. Welcome President Barack Obama to Memphis, Tennessee. Air Force